Tired of soggy pizza from your regular oven? It's time to level up your pie game with an outdoor pizza oven. In this video, we cook up delicious pies in 5 top ovens and put them to the ultimate taste test. We check temperatures, build quality, and versatility on each model. See which one bakes perfect crusts in just minutes thanks to their intense heat. Don't miss out on discovering your new backyard pizza parlor. It's time to start a fire and start eating. Let's find the best oven. Starting our list at number 5 is the Ooni Volt 12 Electric Outdoor Pizza Oven. This model is the best electric oven. The Volt 12 is Ooni's first electric pizza oven made for both indoor and outdoor use. While there are plenty of electric pizza ovens, there are precious few that can cook a pizza on par with a propane or wood-fired oven. This is one of them. We used an infrared thermometer to check temps on the pizza stone, confirming the Volt 12's ability to hit temperatures well above 800 degrees Fahrenheit. It took just around 20 minutes to get up to ideal temps, and we weren't surprised to find pizzas cooked quickly. Our results had beautiful, mottled leoparding on the crust, just like an outdoor oven. The Volt 12 has 3 controls on front, a 20-minute timer, a thermostat that maxes out 850 degrees, and a knob to adjust the upper and lower heating elements separately. While the temp balance control is a useful feature, only works once the oven hits the set temperature. The Volt fits on a standard depth countertop and is relatively easy to move thanks to handles on each side. Next, in 4th place, we have the Gozney Roccbox Outdoor Pizza Oven. This oven boasts the best design. Though the Roccbox is different in shape, it still functions similarly to other ovens designed to make Neapolitan pizza. It uses propane, although a wood burner is available as an extra accessory sold separately. Heating up the oven, we easily reach temperatures over 900 degrees on the pizza stone in 15 minutes. Although inside the oven gets very hot, we were happy to find that outside body did not. You can actually touch the oven body on the silicone without getting burned. Functionally, the Roccbox performed well, and we were able to make outstanding 12-inch pizza in it. The one drawback we noted was that the propane burner left a fair amount of soot on the front of the oven, above the door. While harmless, it did take us some time to clean it off when it came time to store it away. Taking the 3rd spot is the Solo Stove Pi Prime Outdoor Pizza Oven. This model is the best for beginners. A pizza oven from the smokeless fire pit, folks? Yup, and it has the ease of cooking with a propane burner. It took us about 20 minutes to heat up using propane, though expect a bit more time when it's relatively cool out and less when it's hot. In testing, the average cook time was about 90 seconds and required turning the pie every 20 seconds or so. We found that managing oven and stone temperatures didn't take too much time, although like other ovens without a door, breezy or windy days could make it more challenging. The oven opening on the pie is 13 inches wide, so 12-inch pies are about as big as this oven can handle. In 2nd place, we have the Big Horn Outdoors Outdoor Pizza Oven. This model is the best budget option. This outdoor pizza oven looks like the Ooni Karu, and it's a fraction of the price. The stainless steel oven is fueled by wood pellets, which conveniently load in a trapdoor at the back. Though unlike the Karu, wood is your only fuel option. It preheats in roughly 18 minutes, reaches a maximum temperature of 860 degrees, and can cook a 12-inch pizza in up to 90 seconds or less. It's also easy to store, weighing a reasonable 25 pounds with folding legs. One drawback, though likely not a deal-breaker, is that there's no integrated temperature gauge. Finally, at the top of our list is the Ooni Karu 16 Multi-Fuel Outdoor Pizza Oven. This model is the best overall. Over a decade ago, Ooni built its first portable pizza oven with a design that many have mimicked. The Karu 16 is capable of making 16-inch pizzas fired either with propane or wood. In testing, we liked this version's locking door with a glass window, which kept temperature in the oven consistent and allowed us to keep an eye on our pizza while it cooked. Ooni also added a digital thermometer to this model that monitors air temperature in the oven. Using the propane burner is super easy and gets the job done, but we appreciate the large firebox for wood, which provides a lot more flame across the top of the oven. With the right outdoor pizza oven, you can enjoy restaurant-quality pies from the comfort of your own yard. After watching our testing, you now know which oven deserves a spot on your patio. Get cooking and start impressing friends and family with your next pizzeria-style creation. Thanks for watching.